Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and the Lovelace family tried Volcano Bay's Fearless River. You've got to try this when you hit Volcano Bay. Volcano Bay is considered one of the greatest water parks in the USA. This is a point of view video, so we're going to go all the way through the whole thing. So just grab your favorite beverage, kick back, and go with us on this ride. Is this the entrance to it? Is this the entrance to it? The Fearless River? Okay. All right, so when you walk down into the Fearless River area, earlier I walked to the left and looked at the rules and so forth. You'll actually go to the right. There's a line forming, and you'll go around to get your life jacket, and they'll fit you. And once you have your life jacket, then you're ready to get into the lazy river, or actually called the Fearless River. Again, I'm a big guy, over 300 pounds. I got the biggest life jacket, and it was plenty big enough for me. This spot drowns me. Alright, I about drowned. I think I drank 3 gallons of water right there. The beginning of this ride, kind of rough. Yeah, there's another guy. down there, orange and blue. Shady, there's Shady family right there. Shady, seedy, seedy. There's seedy activity going on. Whoa! I got him again. I think I pulled my shorts down. Whoa, losers! Losers! We're losers! Oh, I can't touch the bottom here.
Going in and out. I'll plow him over.
Y'all are shady, you're shady. He said, pull along. All right, this is 3 times in a row we rode, so I think we're gonna get out this time. Maybe it's 4 times in a row. So fun. All right, let's go. We can come back and do it again later. Can we take it, just stick them back in there? Okay. Thank you.